When working with an interior designer, we typically work with them, right from the outset.
The designer team approaches partnership with designers in the way of collaboration and support. We consider ourselves true partners. We want to give back the gift of time.
The team often will meet the designer at their firm or in the showroom to get a sense of the design intent. And working with the interior designers, really from the beginning, we can help them specify the right appliances so they're not having to redraw the elevations or redo the layout.
We want to understand what the customer wants to achieve. We want to understand the challenges or the circumstances of the space that they're working on. Ventilation, electric, water, panels, you name it.
The team will then take away the wants, the needs, the desires of the customer and come back to them with the solutions.
We found that many designers have taken on tasks that we are, as appliance specialists, equipped and eager to handle.
The team will then work with the designer in providing them, once the customer settles on one of those solutions, all the appliance specifications, and the designer then works that into their elevations. But it doesn't stop there, because those elevations then go over to a millworker.
Reviewing millwork drawings, really understanding the whole process and the effects with all of the parties involved.
In our team, it's really important that we can translate the design intent into the execution. And so the team will then pick up the phone and talk to the millworker and make sure we go over all of the smallest nuances, whether it's the height of a toe kick or the space that was required on the side of the fridge so the door fully opens and you can pull the crisper all the way out.
Our biggest opportunity is reminding designers that they don't have to do it all. We're here to be a true partner, to step in with expertise, streamline the process, and give them back the gift of time.